Welcome to BKMS channel. Today we are discussing one important 5-mark question in integration. Integral root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. Hence evaluate. They will give one question that we will discuss later. First we will discuss this particular proof. This is a 5-mark question in integration. So consider let I is equal to integral root of a square minus x square into 1 dx. As you know that integral uv formula. What is integral uv dx? U integral v dx minus integral d by dx of u integral v dx on dx. So in this question u means root of a square minus x square, v means 1. So I is equal to root of a square minus x square into integral 1 dx minus integral d by dx of root of a square minus x square into integral 1 dx on dx. Just see this formula. In place of u, root of a square minus x square, in place of v, 1 dx. Now I is equal to root of a square minus x square into what is integral 1? X minus integral d by dx of root a square minus x square 1 by 2 root of a square minus x square into derivative of a square 0, derivative of x minus x square is minus 2x, chain rule, into integral 1 means x dx. I is equal to x root of a square minus x square minus of minus plus integral x square 2 to cancel by root of a square minus x square dx. I is equal to x root of a square minus x square plus integral numerator add and subtract a square minus a square plus a square by root of a square minus x square dx. Now separate the terms. X root of a square minus x square plus integral, if we take minus common from these two terms, minus of a square minus x square by root of a square minus x square dx plus a square into integral 1 by root of a square minus x square dx. I is equal to x root of a square minus x square minus integral. This a square minus x square you write as root of a square minus x square whole square by root of a square minus x square dx plus this is, we know the formula, sin inverse x by a plus c1. If you observe this term cancel. This is nothing but given question I. So I is equal to x root of a square minus x square minus I plus a square into sin inverse x by a plus c1. Minus side transfer left hand side, 2i is equal to x root of a square minus x square plus a square into sin inverse x by a plus c1. 2 transfer to right hand side, I is equal to x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c, since c is equal to c1 by 2. So I will repeat once again this question. Given question, integral root of a square minus x square dx. Let us consider I is equal to root of a square minus x square into 1 dx. A square minus x square is u, 1 is v. U integral v dx minus integral d by dx of u integral v dx on dx is the formula. In place of u, root of x square minus x square, in place of v, 1 substituted. Integral 1 means x, d by dx of root x, 1 by 2 root x, this is not x, a square derivative 0, x square derivative minus 2x. Integral 1 means x. 2 to cancel, x into x, x square, minus into minus plus. Add and subtract a square in numerator. Take minus common from x square minus x square, so minus outside a square minus x square by denominator plus a square by denominator. This a square minus x square you write root of a square minus x square whole square. Then numerator denominator terms get cancelled. This is nothing but I. This is formula a square into sin inverse x by a. Minus side transfer left hand side 2a. 2 transfer right hand side plus c. C means c1 by 2. This is very important derivation for 5-mark question. So with this, they can give one more question also. How they can give is integral root of 1 minus x plus x square or 1 minus 2x plus x square suppose dx.